Hello everyone, and thanks for joining. Today we will be covering public workflows with Ironclad. In this example, I will play the role of a marketing manager who will be attending a global tech summit to better understand the competitive landscape. In order to attend the event and report my findings back to the company, every attendee is required to execute a confidentiality agreement. Today we will look at how simple Ironclad can make the acceptance process through public workflows. The company hosting the event has provided me with this URL and can easily share this link to all of the attendees upon registration. This will allow attendees to self-service and easily track their acceptance rather than the company having to launch an individual workflow for each attendee. This is key for saving time with popular, growing events and will assist in reducing friction in this process. Using a few basic inputs, I can easily self-service this confidentiality agreement. This information gathered at this step will be used to automatically generate a confidentiality agreement. I even have flexibility on the preferred acceptance method, like e-signature or click to accept. Once I submit my information, Ironclad generates the agreement and presents the binding agreement on the screen. Using Ironclad Signature, I can quickly execute the agreement in the same workflow for seamless entry into the event. I, as the participant, will receive a copy of this record, and so will the company hosting this event.